Are you planning step by step? My name is Agnesia. I'm from Talk My Wealth. And I'm talking about planning and planning for what you really want in life. Now, I know that a lot of people don't like planning, but this video is specifically for those people who wants to learn how to plan, or maybe who don't understand why they haven't achieved what they've achieved yet. That is purely because you are not planning and following a specific plan. I was also one of those people who didn't like planning. I did everything in my head, write it down a little bit. I knew where I was going, but I didn't have a plan. So one day I realized, but there's certain things on my vision board which I haven't achieved yet. And it's only since I really started to plan and focus on doing the things that is going to take me towards that goal that I have achieved those goals. So if you are wondering why you are not getting results, it's time to look at how to plan step by step. And you have to start where you are today. Don't cut yourself up. You realize now that you haven't achieved what you wanted, and now you are going to do something about it. And that's the first step. You have to be intentional about it. Then you have to look at what is the steps that's going to take you there, and then you have to take action. And sometimes you have to put the blinkers on because you're going to get distracted. There's other things that's more interesting. There's things that you want to do that is not so driven, and it doesn't take so much time, doesn't take you away from all the things like going for movies or spending time with friends, going out for drinks. Those things come easily. But let me tell you, those things does not bring you your goals. Yes, I know there's a lot of influencers out there who's making a lot of money with all of those things. But at the end of the day, is that what you can do? Is that what you want to do? Do you want to be one of those influencers? If you are not, you have to then look at, well, what is it that is going to take you to your goals? And there's no ways out. Only you can do that. You can't delegate your goals. You can't delegate your dedication, and you can't delegate your motivation and your passion for something. And so I want to invite you to really look at how can you achieve those goals this year by putting in place the things that you have to do to get you where you want to be. It is just defining what you have to do, write it down. And if you don't know where to start, you can start with a North Star Planner. It's available on Amazon, and it will help you to know what you have to do step by step. If you are wandering around like Alice in Wonderland, hit that subscribe button and join me weekly on this channel, Talk My Wealth.